My next function is 2 cosine squared of x plus t cosine of x minus 2 over 2 cosine x minus 1, while x approaches pi over 3. So again, remember that cosine of pi over 3 is equal to the same as sine of pi over 6, and both of these are equal to a half. So if you do direct substitution, this becomes, so direct sub gives us 2 times a half to power 2 plus 3 times a half minus 2. On the denominator, I get 2 times a half minus 1. So my numerator becomes 2 divided by 4, or a half, plus 3 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 2, over 1 minus 1. And as you can see, you get 0 divided by 0, or you have indeterminate form. So we need to simplify this function. But before simplifying this function, your numerator is 2 cosine squared of x plus 3 cosine of x minus 2. This is very similar to a quadratic expression. This is 2a squared plus 3a minus 2, which is a quadratic expression, which can be written as 2 times a minus 1 multiplied by a plus 2. In expanded form, 2 compact form. So basically my numerator can be simplified into, I have the limit of my numerator becomes 2 cosine x minus 1 times cosine x plus 2, and on the denominator I have 2 cosine x minus 1, and x goes to pi over 3. So you can easily get rid of the common factor. You end up with the limit of cosine of x plus 2 as x goes to pi over 3. Direct substitution gives us cosine of pi over 3 plus 2, or a half plus 2, or you get 5 divided by 2, or 2.5. This is going to be the limit of the function. You can take a look at Desmos as well to make sure everything is easy to analyze. So here we go. On the numerator, I have the function 2 cosine squared of x plus 3 cosine of x minus 2 divided by 2 cosine of x minus 1. So let us take a look at the behavior of this function. As you can see, the function simplifies into cosine plus 2, right? If you take a look at just cosine of x, this is the behavior of cosine of x. You're shifting the cosine 2 units up. So if you graph cosine of x plus 2, this is exactly the same as the simplified version of this rational function. So if you take cosine of x and shift it 2 units up, you're going to get the exact same function. This is what we saw in our algebra. When we did all the algebraic simplification, we took this function and simplified into cosine of x plus 2. These two functions are exactly the same. So instead of finding the limit of the first function, we found the limit of the second function.